Welcome to 10-Minute English Stories. Let's learn English with a powerful story. Ravi failed again. Not once, not twice, but many times. Everyone laughed at him. Even his own friends stopped believing in him. But one day, he discovered a secret so simple, yet so powerful. And what happened next changed his life forever. Ravi was a simple boy. He lived in a small town. His father worked in a shop. His mother stayed at home. They were not rich, but they were kind people. Ravi had one big dream. He wanted to be successful. He wanted to make his parents proud. But there was a problem. Ravi was not good at studies. He tried hard, but his marks were always low. And slowly, people started to notice. In school, students laughed at him. Ravi can't do anything, they said. Teachers ignored him. Friends avoided him. One day, he failed an important exam. He went home quietly. His eyes were full of tears. His father looked at him, but said nothing. That silence hurt more than words. That night, Ravi asked himself, "Am I really useless?" But something inside him said, "No, there is more." But he didn't know what. The next day, Ravi went to school again, but something strange happened. He saw an old man sitting near the gate. The man was calm. He smiled at Ravi. "Why are you sad?" the old man asked. Ravi was surprised. He never saw this man before. "I fail in everything," Ravi said. The old man listened carefully. Then he said something unexpected. "Come tomorrow morning at 5 a.m. Ravi was confused. Why so early? But something told him, just go. Next morning, Ravi woke up at 5 a.m. He was tired, but he still went. The old man was there. He gave Ravi a simple task. Run to that hill and come back. Ravi was shocked. What? Why? But the man said nothing, so Ravi ran. He was slow. He was tired, but he finished. When he came back, the man just smiled. That's it for today. Ravi felt confused. Was this a joke? But that was just the beginning. The next day, same thing. Run to the hill. Day after day, same task. Ravi started getting angry. "This is useless," he said one day. But the old man looked at him and said, "Trust the process." Ravi didn't understand, but he continued. Slowly, something changed. His body became stronger. His mind became calmer. But still, he didn't see success, and he started to doubt again. One day, Ravi shouted, "Why are you making me do this? I want success, not running." The old man looked at him and said quietly, "You think success is quick?" Ravi stayed silent. Then the old man said something powerful. "Come tomorrow, I will show you the secret." The next morning, Ravi came early. The old man took him to a river. "Go inside," he said. Ravi stepped into the water. Suddenly, the old man pushed his head under water. Ravi was shocked. He tried to come up, but the man held him down. Seconds passed. Ravi started to panic. He couldn't breathe. His heart was beating fast. Finally, the old man let him go. Ravi came out, gasping for air. "What are you doing?" Ravi shouted. The old man looked into his eyes. "When you were underwater, what did you want the most?" Ravi answered quickly, "Air." The old man nodded. "That is the secret of success." Ravi was confused, but the old man continued. "When you want success as badly as you wanted air, you will get it." That moment, everything became clear. Ravi realized something deep. He was not failing. He was not hungry enough. And that realization changed everything. From that day, Ravi changed. He stopped complaining. He stopped blaming others. He started working with full focus. Morning, he studied. Evening, he practiced. No excuses, no laziness. And slowly, results started to change. His marks improved. His confidence grew. People noticed again, but this time with respect. Months later, Ravi passed his exams. Not just passed, he scored very good marks. His parents were proud, but more important, Ravi was proud of himself, and he never forgot that lesson. Success is not magic. It is not luck. It is desire, strong desire. When you want something deeply and work for it every day, success will come, no matter who you are.